How to clear Snapchat storage. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to clear Snapchat storage and free up space on your phone, you need to follow the simple steps. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat application, log into your account, and also make sure that the Snapchat is up to date. Now tap on your profile in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. From this settings page, scroll all the way down and there you will see the option of clear cache under account actions. Tap on that and then tap on continue to confirm. Along with that, you can clear conversation, delete your AI data, delete your search history, and there are a lot more options. If you want to delete unwanted snaps and stories from memories, you need to remove the chat conversation that you don't need. And also clear the Snapchat app cache from your phone settings, which can be done by simply tapping and holding on to this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top and then scroll down and go to storage. Click on clear cache. You can also tap on clearing data. But remember that this will remove all the files, settings, snaps and chats, login, personal activity, app activity and all. So you need to be very careful regarding that. And this will free up space without deleting your account or snaps permanently. So that's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.